Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Motorola G55, and this is the new model that's just come out from Motorola. I think they released it near the end of 2024, and it comes with 4 years of security upgrades and a couple of years of Android upgrades. So yeah, I've had a quick look inside, but I thought I'd show you what's included in the package and tell you why I got this phone. So I did a bunch of research before getting the G55, and mainly I've been looking at Samsung phones, and there was the A13 or A15, I believe. There's quite a few of them, and they had a 5G version, and looking at the retail price, it was just a lot more than what you get, in terms of features. So the G55 is excellent value. You've got a proper 50 megapixel camera as well in there, and I really like the battery capacity, so 5,000 milliamp hour cell. So that's going to definitely get you through a day of heavy use. So let's have a look at what's included. And another reason why I got this phone is that it is going to function quite well as a kind of portable 5G modem. If you look at a lot of 5G modems out there, they're quite pricey, so you might as well just get a phone that has 5G capabilities, and then you can stick a SIM card in there and just use that instead as a 5G modem. So that's the phone itself, and they didn't mention that it actually comes with a little case here as well. Yeah, pink, my favorite color. So, not really, but let's have a look here. There's this little thing there, and you can take off it's like a little screen protector, I guess. So yeah, and this one also comes with Gorilla Glass on the front, so I think that's really important for phones, because obviously you're going to be carrying this thing around in your pocket a lot of the time. You'll probably scratch it, so yeah, Gorilla Glass is going to help. And let's take off the case and see what the phone actually looks like. And alright, so the sides, I'm not sure what the sides are made of. I'm pretty sure that it's polycarbonate, and same with the back. Okay, it feels like a kind of, if you can look at it a bit closely, it kind of looks like a faux leather kind of thing. You can see a couple of the camera lenses up there, 50 megapixel optical image stabilization, quad pixel. So yeah, it doesn't have those quad cameras that you see on a lot of Samsung phones, but yeah, it's going to do the job anyway. SIM card port there. What else do you have on it? Oh, cool. It comes with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. You don't see that very often on many phones, especially even on Samsung phones. I don't know why they just have gotten rid of that. And yeah, I tend to prefer using those wide headsets now, because for some reason I just end up not using the wireless ones too often, and they end up running out of charge, and yeah, I get stuck. So yeah, anyway, there's USB-C port there. Looks like there's a speaker at the bottom, and yes, is that a speaker? Yeah, I think that's that's definitely a speaker here on the right hand side, and then you've got the microphone there. Nice little, I thought that might be, I wonder if that's the fingerprint. That might be the fingerprint sensor. We'll have to see. Or the fingerprint sensor might be built into the screen itself, like a lot of phones. But yeah, the quality looks pretty decent. It's got Dolby Atmos as well, so I'm expecting some impressive sound from this phone. And for what you pay for it, I mean, it's a fantastic little device. I mean, if you look back 10 years ago, 5-10 years ago, you wouldn't be able to get something like this for the same price for sure. And yeah, it comes with a few different colors. Also got a couple of accessories with it as well. So that's just a little case, like a bumper case, and also some screen protectors. Okay, got those from Amazon, but I didn't know it actually came with a case, which is pretty cool. Let's have a look what else you get in the box. And yeah, it's all made of paper, which is great. No plastic in there. The cool thing is that it actually comes with a charger. And I don't know if you guys know much about a lot of phones these days, but they just don't come with any accessories anymore. You've got to buy them separately. So this is a 30, let's have a look here. It's a 33 watt charger. So yeah, this phone will be a fast, what do you call it, like a supercharged phone. So I reckon you can recharge the battery in 40 minutes or so with this charger, which is great. It's probably, I reckon it's probably like a gallium nitride charger as well, just given how small it is. And there is a USB-C charging cable as well. Obviously this has to be rated to the 33 watts in order to gain that full fast charging capability. And that's pretty much it. Doesn't look like there's any instructions in the box at all. Oh, actually there is a tiny little booklet here. Meet your Moto G. Okay, so just a little kind of instruction manual here, but obviously, you know, with Android phones, a lot of you would have some experience using them already. So yeah, just a little bit of instructional material, just letting you know where. Oh, there you go. That's the touch point, the NFC touch point on the top right, underneath the camera. Yeah, I don't know where the fingerprint sensor is. It must be inbuilt into the actual phone itself. Oh, it does also come with one of these SIM card ejectors as usual. So yeah, it looks pretty good, and I think it's a great little deal. I thought I'd just show you what's in the box, and yeah, if you have questions, just let me know.